Get ready with me using what I bought from the holiday sale from Jaclyn Cosmetics. Hello, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, over the past couple of weeks, there have been some amazing sales online, in stores, whatever. Jaclyn Cosmetics had her entire site on sale, 50% off plus some special package deals. Well, I bought several great items and I'm going to demonstrate them for you today. Let me show you about this palette, the Strawberry Feels palette. I bought another one of her Pout Drip lip oils. This one is called Berry Drip. I bought the under eye powder in Brightening Pink. And I got one of her little lip kits. This one is the Poutspoken lip kit. And the colors in this, let's see, I got a liner in Macaron and two of the Poutspoken lipsticks, the Outspoken and the Crabby. And it also comes with this little lipstick remover. Every single thing I bought was half price. In fact, this was actually a package deal and then half off of that. So yeah, I got some great deals. Anyway, I thought I'd just start getting ready with this. I've already used my foundation and all my face prep as well as my brows. So it's just on to what I used. Plus I'm going to use some of my favorite Jaclyn cheek products as well. Okay, this is the palette. I love these colors. I love pinks, blush, corals, sparkles, all of these shades. I didn't buy when it first came out, quite honestly, because I was a little mad she did not include a mirror. Instead, she has her name embossed in this. How much more expensive, how much more difficult would it have been to include a mirror, Jaclyn? Other than that complaint, I think I'm going to really like this palette. I'm going to start with this base color, this Shortcake. And it's just a nice little nude. And let me get my mirror up. Now I'm going to try using this darkest shade here, this one called Berry Whipped. And I'm going to use that as a liner. It's a really pretty shade. And I do like her formulas. The formulas go on great. Now this palette offers a lot of different choices as far as a shimmer or a matte color. I think I'm going to take the shade Cobbler and use that in the crease and the outer edges. Now I'm going to take this flat shimmer brush. I'm going to use a little bit of Fresh Picked, a nice sort of cherry colored shimmer, and just touch over the base with that. Start at the inner corner and move upward. And just blend. Now the final step, just to blend everything together. And with that, let's see, the Lemonade is pretty if you want to go for an overall pink look. I think I'm going to go for something a little more muted. So I'm going to use this slightly shimmery Sugar Coated. And just put that on a larger, fluffier brush. And blend everything together. Okay, no complaint with the colors or the formulas in this palette. Only complaint, again, it doesn't have a mirror. But yeah, a lot of different looks with the shade. If I want to go for a more pink look, a lot of options there. For something a little more maybe coral orange looking, you've got some options there too. I do love this color story. I'm going off camera and doing my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, my mascara's done. Now I'm going to try this new item I got from Jaclyn Cosmetics. I've tried other powders. I've never tried her under eye powder. This is the Brighten Pink. And here's the container. Shake. That's what I have to do it. And then you have just a touch in the lid. I'll try this brush. Just take a dab of this and apply under the eye. I already have on a little bit of concealer. So a little bit of brightening under the eye. Also, I like to go maybe under the brow a little bit with this. Just a nice little bit of color. Now, I'm going to use this as one of my products that I've loved from Jaclyn for a while. This one is Warm Flush Golden Goddess, the Bronze and Blushing Duo. Take a little bit of the bronze part, the lower part of my cheekbones, and along the jawline. And then take the blush and put in the ball of the cheekbone. And just get some color in there. And of course you can top with a little bit of highlighter as well. This is one of my favorite Jaclyn Star Power Reflective Light Highlighters. I just take my finger and tap it right. See, even these things come with the mirror. And it's so helpful. Right on the top of the cheekbone. Next up, the new lip kit. So I'm going to start with the new liner I bought from Jaclyn Cosmetics. This one, the shade is Macaron. I have several of her liners. I love all of them that I've tried. This is the color of Macaron. Got a little helper with me today. Lulu, say hi to the camera. My baby Lulu. And I'm going to try some of these new lip colors. This one is called Crabby. But I do like this. I love one of my favorite foods, y'all, is a nice rolled crab cake. So I thought maybe I'd like a shade called Crabby. But yes, it's really pretty color. Now the second color I bought was called Outspoken. And oh, I think this is a slightly more pink color. I'm going to try this one now. We'll just take a little blot out the Crabby and see how the Outspoken compares. Yeah, it is slightly more pink. I do like both of these colors and the liner, so I'm glad I got this little package deal. And the final step, top everything off with Jaclyn Cosmetics Pout Drip Lip Oil. And this is a different shade. This is the Berry Drip, which should give it maybe a little more of a brighter, see, it's this purple, it's not going to come on this purple. It's going to just brighten it up slightly because they're very sheer, but yeah, it's actually a very pretty color, but I don't want my lips to look this purple. Yeah, see, it just adds a little bit of shine. So this is the look for today using new products from Jaclyn Hill. Well, mostly new. I used this, which is not exactly new. But I like everything I bought. I'm glad I bought them, and I'm really, really glad I got them for 50% off. That's the video for today. If you liked it, could you please give me the thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.